Shane English Boost.
Australia's unique animals. Special animals you need to see. Australia is a special place because it is really far from other countries. Because of that, Australia's animals and plants are really different. Everybody knows koalas and kangaroos, but do you know these unique Australian animals? Everywhere in Australia, you can see a cute bird called the kookaburra. They have white heads and big, strong beaks. People say these birds sound like they are laughing when they sing. You really have to hear it. The cassowary is a huge bird that can grow up to 2 meters tall. It cannot fly, and people say it looks more like a dinosaur than a bird. Cassowaries have strong legs and can run very fast. Their heads are blue and red. They are also very dangerous, so if you see one, stay far away. Echidnas are very strange animals because they are mammals, but they lay eggs. They look like large hedgehogs because they also have spines. They have a long snout they use to eat ants and other bugs, just like an anteater. Echidnas look very cute, but you'd better not pet one. Platypuses are mammals that lay eggs, just like the echidna. They live in the water. When scientists first discovered them, they did not believe they were real. They are strange animals that have a beak like a duck, but a body like a beaver. Quokkas only live in a small area of Australia, but they are worth seeing. They are about the same size as a cat, and they look very cute. Lots of people say quokkas are not afraid of people, and many people take selfies with them. Quokkas look like they are smiling, so people love them. If you visit Australia, you can go and see some of these special animals. Which ones do you want to see? Key vocabulary: unique, animal, special, place, really, far, other, country, plant, different, everybody, no, koala, kangaroo, Australian, everywhere, kookaburra, strong, beak, people, say, sound like, laugh, sing, cassowary, huge, grow, meter, fly, look like, dinosaur, very, dangerous, echidna, strange, a mammal, lay eggs, hedgehog, spine, snout, bug, just like anteater. You'd better not. Pet, platypus, scientist, discover, believe, real, duck, body, beaver, quokka, only, area, something is worth doing, same, size, lots of, afraid, selfie, smile, visit. Let's talk. Do you want to visit Australia? Why or why not? Which Australian animal is your favourite?